Yes, hello guys. We are going to have an update on BNB. So, if you really want to get this analysis, I think you should go back to our channel and then watch the video, the previous analysis video on BNB. So, as I've told you already, BNB is going down to $50 and possibly below. Yes. So let's go to our weekly. Our This is our weekly chart. So let's go out to our daily and see what is going. If we can make more confirmations that the market is still wants to go down and it's playing out. All right. So this is going to be a very short one. It's not going to be a long video. Yeah. So this point an order block, which was coming out from a breaker as well. Yeah, so this was the point. Yeah, these levels. And what did the market do? This side was in our previous analysis. The market came down and then retested its other block and then breaker and it dropped down again. And what happened here? Mind you, there is an other block that turned into a breaker here. This is the box I've just drawn. You see. Okay. Alright. So looking at it, when the market after clearing the stops, the market walked right into our order block, and then there was a movement higher, and then the order block was broken, but the market closed below the order block. And what did it do? The market dropped down and came to retest that order block as a breaker, and now wants to go down. All right. So why do I think the market still wants to go down? If you are to look at this side, there is a top here and there's a top here that was broken with a very this big green candle. All right, let's go down to our 4 hour for you to appreciate it very well. Yeah, this usually happens all the time. So let me zoom. Yeah. So this is our 4 hour, and what happened? Let me get our brush too. There were stops here and another stop here. Right? Okay. So what did the market do? From after the market creating these stops, these highs, it quickly went up with this big green candle. And this is usually to trick retail investors. If you usually follow my analysis, you realize this chart or this pattern always plays out. It always does. So, it's what the market makers do. They have to trick retail traders and take their money before they actually go to their intended direction. So what did the market do? The market uh, cleared the stops with this massive candle. So obviously, traders will FOMO in and buy and probably put their stop losses here and then possibly below. So after clearing these stops, the market will come down to clear these stops and then this one as well. All right. So you see, after clearing this stop, what did the market do? This was another stop, and then this was also another stop. You see, the market quickly came down, it cleared the stops, took out those who were already on low or on bear from this angle. It quickly came down massively and then took out these lows as well. All right. So from here, the market has taken low highs here and it's taking lows here. And what did it do? Mind you, this is the last green candle, the last red candle before that bullish. So before that massive red candle, green candle. All right. So this is it. Let me stretch it for you to appreciate it well. Yes. So the market closed below that this particular order block. It violated and it closed below. So what it means is it will definitely come down to retest it as a breaker. And that is what exactly happened. So you realize when the market dropped down, it came to reverse to that level again and it is coming down. Right. And what has happened here? Right now we understand that this particular level was the right is the point the market was going to definitely drop from. So let's go on to our 1 hour for us to see if there are indications that the market still wants to go down. All right. So looking at our 1 hour, you realize, sorry, okay, this is the, let me pick a rectangle. Good. So looking at our 1 hour, you see the market drop down and it is retesting these levels again. This level is a breaker because if you look at the 1 hour, uh, there are stops lying down here. There are many stops lying down here. Let me use a brush too. Okay, these are all stops, right? So this was the last green candle, the last red candle, this particular one, and then it quickly moved high, taking out the stops here, right? And now this level, this candlestick, the last. Let me make it precise. Okay, yeah. So the market closed below it, and now it is retesting it as a breaker. And mind you, it is right on top or right below our 50 MA. So from all indications, we are likely to see BNB dropping very soon. Well, if I'm to put a bet on it, I think this is not financial advice anyway, but we cut. But BNB is likely to sell at this level. Yeah, it's likely to sell at this level. This is not financial advice anyway. Yeah, so I still hold the fact that BNB wants to go down. Yeah, and it's still playing out. I think BNB wants to go down. So if I had some money, I think I would have sold on BNB at this particular moment. Yeah, but this is not financial advice anyway. So this is our update on BNB. We want the market want to see red candles, and it's likely to happen very soon. All right, thank you for your time. And then if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel to support us. Have a nice evening.